Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the upstream or the downstream oxygen sensor on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix. We'll talk about testing the sensors as well, how we can do that. Upstream means the one that's known as sensor 1 before the catalytic converter. Downstream means the one after the catalytic converter. Oh, by the way guys, after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. Now guys, we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. Things will differ for different years. We'll try to explain about each one of those. Make sure you stay until the end. Now, facing the engine on the right side here, okay, on the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. You slide these things to the front, open the cover, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, now this fuse box layout is for 2012 to 2017, the facelifted version of the Volkswagen Tiguan. We'll spend about that one first, then we'll spend about 2008 to 2011. Two fuses will need to be checked guys, and the first fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 10. Very important fuse right here, fuse number 10. And then you guys need to check fuse number 18. And fuse number 18 is this fuse right here. Now let's come to the computer. We have a picture of the fuse box of a 2008 to 2011 year model. Things will differ here. We need to check multiple fuses because there is very limited information about that one specifically. But starting here, first you need to guys check again fuse number 10, which will be guys, okay, this fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 13, 14, 15, these three fuses, okay. Then you need to locate fuse number 20 and 21. 20, we don't have that option, 21 is right here, okay. Check your, most likely guys, it's very important that it's fuse number 14. But also check fuse number 23 and 24, and specifically these fuses will be right here. Also check your relays under the box as well guys. But those will be practically guys, okay, the main fuses The relay portion practically is controlled by the engine computer, so we just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. If you want to see how to test oxygen sensor, upstream or downstream oxygen sensor, we'll have multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that, so you know for sure if you need to replace that sensor. That way you do not waste money on a part that you don't need to replace, guys. Hopefully the information was helpful. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.